It's time to work for our planet. The beauty of our planet, like the timeless art of Vincent van Gogh and Mona Lisa, is a masterpiece to be preserved. We recognize the importance of sustainability. Hence, we are directing our approach towards maintaining integrity using sustainable ways. Diamond mining has contributed to the degradation of over 1.5 million hectares of land worldwide, degradation of water quality up to 80%, and approximately 5% of air pollution in the nearby areas. The urgency is clear. Unsustainable practices risk irreversible damage. Yet, amidst the challenges, there's hope. Our commitment to sustainable diamonds is unwavering. By choosing sustainable diamond jewelry, you're not only adorning yourself with beauty, but also protecting our planet. We take actions with initiatives like Work for Nature and by joining forces with One Tree Planted. Our contributions to a greener future. Through our actions, we not only channel the vibrant energy of Van Gogh's art, Mona Lisa's charm into our jewelry, but also contribute to painting a sustainable future for our planet. Our resolve, like the strokes of Van Gogh's and Leonardo's brush, is unyielding. We are Dev Jewels, where luxury meets sustainability. In adversity, our determination stands firm. We plant hope for a brighter, more sustainable world.